Pelican, a magnificent waterbird with long bills and throats. Before we start this amazing video, I would like to remind you to subscribe to Discovery for more amazing videos. Just click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss any of our new videos. Now, let's start the video. Pelican, a magnificent waterbird. Pelicans are large waterbirds with long bills and throats. They are found in all oceans and many inland waters around the world. Pelicans are known for their ability to catch and eat fish. They scoop up fish with their bills and then drain the water from their throats before swallowing them. There are 8 species of pelicans in the world. The great white pelican is the largest pelican species, with a wingspan of up to 11 feet. The smallest pelican species is the Australian pelican, with a wingspan of about 6 feet. Pelicans are social birds and often live in large flocks. They roost together in trees or on cliffs at night. Pelicans are also known for their courtship rituals, which involve elaborate displays of flying and swimming. Pelicans are important predators of fish and other aquatic life. They help to keep populations of fish in check and also help to disperse fish eggs and larvae. Pelicans are also a food source for other animals, such as crocodiles and snakes. Pelican habitat and diet. Pelicans live in a variety of habitats, including coastal waters, inland lakes, and rivers. They prefer to live in areas with plenty of fish to eat. Pelicans eat a variety of fish, including herring, mackerel, and sardines. They also eat other aquatic creatures, such as shrimp and crabs. Pelican breeding and behavior. Pelicans breed in colonies. They build their nests on islands or on the ground near water. Pelicans lay 2 to 4 eggs. The eggs are incubated by both the male and female pelican for about 30 days. Pelican chicks hatch with their eyes open and are covered in down. They leave the nest at about 6 weeks old. Pelican chicks are fed by their parents for about 3 months. Pelicans are social birds and often spend time together in groups. They roost together in trees or on cliffs at night. Pelicans are also known for their courtship rituals, which involve elaborate displays of flying and swimming. Pelicans are not currently considered to be endangered. However, some pelican populations are declining due to habitat loss, pollution, and overfishing. Pelicans are magnificent waterbirds that play an important role in the aquatic ecosystem. They are also fascinating creatures to watch and learn about. If you are ever lucky enough to see a pelican, take a moment to appreciate its beauty and grace. If you enjoyed the video, please let us know by leaving a comment below, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Discovery Ship for more interesting videos.
Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please help me out by liking, sharing, and subscribing.